Welcome back to the channel. Today is another transam video. So we have her sitting out there, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these on her. So these are, I believe, C6 replicas. So we're gonna put these Corvette rims on the F body, the transam. So let's go over here and take a look at them. Let's move my little magnets out of the way here. So this is what we got. These are budget rims, so I don't know if this is a powder coat or they may have just spray painted them. I don't know. I paid them for like $500 with the tires, so I'm really not going to complain too much. Although I did notice that there's a couple that are kind of flaking off, but you know what? It's just to see if I like the black look. Because right now, if we come over here and take a look at the car, it has this silver look on it. So kind of need to know if you guys like the silver look or the black look. So let's check them out. Let's get them, let's do like a little mock-up. We're gonna roll them over there and kind of see what they look like. So I'm gonna grab one of these guys. Which one is this? This is a rear tire, I think. Oh, man, it's hard to do one-handed. Yeah, it's definitely a rear tire. I don't want to hear no comments about my extension cord for my pump. Alright. So what we have here is I believe these are 19s, 275 35 R19. Those are 275 40 17s. So that's a pretty good difference there. So luckily I already have the wheel spacers for the 1.5 inch, which would give me clearance on these guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. You mean, how do you think this is gonna look? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna back her up in the garage, get her jacked up, and get them on. Alright, so we basically hit a problem. So I have these factory wheels, and they're mounted to the hub-centric 1.5 inch spacers, and I guess they're wedged in there. This freaking thing does not want to come loose. I'm trying to pry on it, trying to get something in there to break that seal or to push it away. It's not really going the way I want. Yeah, so that fucking sucks.
10 seconds later.
So we're about to put it on. So here is the 1.5 inch spacer. You got to have that, otherwise the tire will not fit in. It'll sit too far back. We're gonna get that on, just like that. Shove her on. All that's left now, do a little cleanup, get these wheels, get them stacked over there. All right, there she is. She looks good. like a whole different animal over here. Let's take a look. What do y'all think on that, huh? Question I have, guys, what do y'all think about the black rims? Do they look better than the factory WS6 17s? I'm thinking they do. But what do you think about the spikes? Let me know. Let me know what you think about the spikes. I mean, I think she looks like a whole different animal. If you like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Oh yeah, she looks good. Looks mean. So with the black wheels, you can see the 1.5 inch spacers. You see the spike lug nuts along with the firebird, fire chicken, whatever, fire chicken flag up top. Already have the license plate in the windshield with the filler plate up front. Yeah, the black kind of just flows with the car. Definitely think it was a good move. I want to know what you think about that. Oh yeah, next thing is just get her washed up. Oh look, dang, look at that. See, that needs to be repainted. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Now you can see. It needs to be repainted. I'm not worried about that. Ho ho ho. She looks like a beast. It's a whole different animal now. The factory wheels did not like to come off of those spacers. If you want to know where I got those spacers, I will drop a link in the description down below so you can pick yours up. But yeah, man, just smash that like button. Let me know what y'all think about the ride, if it was a good choice to put those rims on there. Hopefully they're placeholders for some better, like I said, they were a budget set of rims for about 500 bucks. So they're not perfect, they have some flaws. I can show you some of the flaws if you want. So like on here, you can see it's kind of bubbly right here. That one's probably the best shape. See, you can see the red pinstriping right there, curb rash here. So from back here though, you can't tell. So I mean, it's not flawless by any means, but I mean, you can't, I don't think anybody can dispute that she looks good. I mean, I think she looks mean. I'm kind of 50-50 right now on the lug nuts though. I know my neighbor hates them. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, help us reach our goals. See more content like this, or comment down below on what kind of content you would like to see. We'll try to make it happen. See you in the next one.